Hey guys, today we're going to show you how we do things at DMU Dubai. As you can see here, next to me is what we call an automatic shelving rover. This rover is designed to perform a particular set of tasks in a particular sequence. This rover will then have to run through a custom-made track for this course. The track is made to test the various abilities of the rover like terrain, stability, feedback and overall runtime. The students will be designing the vehicle using CAD and then coding it using various languages on microcontrollers, and after that manufacturing it and finally testing it. The main purpose of this activity is to engage students while inculcating practical hands-on experience to make them fit for the future industry.